welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this. So that is why I have everything done on my face but my eyebrows. I know that's a little bit backwards for people who regularly do their makeup, but I wanted to see how well these work, and I also wanted to see if my makeup's going to transfer onto it as well. So that is what we're doing today. I am going to be filling in my eyebrows with, oops, the brush fell out, with the brow bar here. It is well loved. You can see my fingerprints all over it. And I've got a concealer in case I have to clean up my brows. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so on the back here it says choose your favorite eyebrow sticker, so apparently there's more than one style in here. Sticking the eyebrow sticker in a suitable position. Moreover, the sticker could be sticked repeatedly until you are satisfied. Drawing the eyebrow, the shape in the hollow section. Filling the eyebrow shape and making some modifications for details. Okay, well, we all know that I'm not the world's best with eyebrows, but we're gonna give this a go. Okay, so it came in two little packages like this, and it does look like there are multiple ones. You can see on here, you got left, right, and it has a nice edge. So you can't see it on camera, but there is a cutout right here for the eyebrow shape, and I'll show you once I pick one. Okay, so this is the shape we're going to go with today. See, I pulled it out and you can see there's nothing there. That is the shape. All shapes are a little too much for my face at this point, but okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these on my face. That is on, and now I am going to get into feeling my brows. I'm going to start with this medium shade right here, and then I'm going to touch it up with that one. So let's see how this goes. They are filled in, so let's see what the big reveal is. It's not bad, it's not great. Definitely did take off some of my makeup, but I'm going to clean these up because one has a nice arch, one goes straight across, so I want to see if I can fix that. Okay, so now my brows are cleaned up. I think they look pretty good. And so my final thoughts on this product. So it does work. If you use the stickers with your makeup, it will transfer a little bit, so definitely don't do your eyeshadow until afterwards. I don't think it's bad. I think that you do need to work with the sticker placement if you're gonna do it. And clearly there is some cleaning up you will have to do afterwards, but I do think it's a time saver. I do think it works great. Just a little adjustment with it, that's all. So that is it of this video. If you liked this product, let me know. Let me know if you're going to be trying it, what you think of it. Do you think it was a good time saver? No? I want to hear your thoughts on this product. So anyways, that is it of the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.